Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this wooden pergola design in Blender. So first of all, we have to select all and delete it. So go to the numpad 1 and go to the shift plus A, go to the mesh and cube. So scale into Z axis, something like this. Go to the numpad and scale into X axis and scale into Y axis. Okay, that's okay. So control A, rotation and scale. So go to the add modifier and generate into back. Okay, so we may have to make it bevel 0.05 and make this one 5 inches and make it shade smooth. So scale Y a little bit more, control A, rotation scale, and then we have to move up to here and something like this. So shift plus A, make a cube and rename it reference. And this one is wooden arm. Okay, so make this one is wooden para. Okay, so select this one and go to the add modifier, generate mirror, and select this portion. Okay, and make in white direction also. So that's okay. This one we will make it a render, but it will not visible during rendering. Okay, so we have to little bit space more, so I have to select this. Yeah, now it's okay. So select this one and make it so scale X direction, scale Y direction, right? Control A, rotation scale. Yeah, now it's okay. So go to the numpad 3. So shift plus D select, shift plus D Y, something like this. So we will remove mirror right now and rotate X 90 and make it scale. Something like this is okay. So scale Y. So okay. So a little bit scale more. And then we have to go to the generate and array. Okay, so array should be around 8 and the direction should be here in y direction. Okay, -1, -5. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so select this one again and generate mirror. Okay, so select this one again like this. Okay, so select this one again, numpad 3. So shift plus D, duplicate and remove array. Okay, so rotate 90. Okay, so move it down something like this and a little bit scale. Okay, and go to the edit mode and move up to here and move up to here. Okay, so this side portion is ready now. So select this portion 1 again, so shift plus D, duplicate and remove the mirror. So shift plus S, selection to cursor, rotate and scale into Z, something like this. Move up to here, scale Z a little bit more, scale Y. Okay, something between in this portion, scale Y like this, control A, rotation scale, and scale X. Okay, control A, rotation scale, and select this one, portion, so scale X. Okay, control A, rotation scale. So this is ready now. So scale into X direction, something like this, control A, rotation scale. This is okay. Then go to the mirror, go select this cube, Y direction, and so select this one again, so shift plus D, remove the mirror, so shift plus S, selection to cursor, rotate 90. So scale it down, something like this. Okay, so scale into Y direction. Okay, scale into Z direction. Rotation scale. Something here. So add modifier array. So it should be 6 and direction should be something, yes, like this. So this is ready now. So for this purpose we select this portion again, so shift plus D, X like this, and scale into Z direction. Okay, like this. So scale into Y direction. Okay, and control A, rotation scale. So go to the edit mode and select like this. So rotate something like this, and it should be minus 90. Okay, and so make it a little bit adjust here, so it will match the proportion. Okay, and make it height. Okay, so this one is our upper part. This one is upper rail, and this one is side rail. Sport, and side rail center. So our 3D model is ready. So the next part is texturing and material. So we will use the Blender kit. You can install this Blender kit in your software. So for this purpose, go to the edit, preferences, and here Blender kit. So you can download it from internet, so it is easily available. So just download and install this add-on in Blender. So we have to search here wood. So I'm using a little bit shiny, something like so. Yeah, this one is actually I'm looking. So select. So I have to select this portion and apply this material. I have to hide this one. So for now we don't need this, and go to render mode, and we have to select a UV cube projection. Okay, so it will fix the texture automatically. So I will select this one again. So UV cube projection, and this one again UV. Yeah, this looks okay. And this one. Okay, select this one. So there's another technique which we can use. So select all and select this one and Control L and link materials. So it will apply all. So this is ready now. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support my channel. You will get a lot of tutorial regarding 3D modeling in this channel. Thank you for watching.